My dear friends, let me begin with something that may touch your heart right away. Imagine this moment. You wake up in the morning, you reach for your glasses on the nightstand, and you look toward the window, expecting to see the sunlight pouring in, filling your room with brightness. But instead of clarity, all you see is haze. Colors are dull, outlines are blurred, and faces you love appear like distant shadows. For so many seniors, this is not imagination. This is reality. Cataracts cloud the lens of the eye, and glaucoma quietly steals vision from the edges until the world feels smaller and smaller. These are not just eye conditions. They are thieves that steal freedom, joy, and confidence. But here is the hope I want you to hold on to today. Nature has given us powerful allies hidden in simple drinks that you can enjoy every day. Beverages that do not require a prescription, do not come with dangerous side effects, and do not cost a fortune. Just ordinary drinks filled with extraordinary nutrients that protect your eyes, support your optic nerves, and help keep cataracts and glaucoma from advancing. And I want you to stay with me until the end, because the eighth drink, the one I will reveal last, may surprise you the most. It is the simplest of them all. Yet it has been shown to keep eyes hydrated, nourished, and resilient against the damage of aging. Now, let us be honest. Most people only start thinking about eye health when something goes wrong. But the truth is, protecting your vision should begin long before the fog of cataracts or the silent threat of glaucoma sets in. Our eyes are hungry organs. They need hydration, antioxidants, vitamins, and circulation. Just as a car cannot run without fuel, your eyes cannot stay clear without the nutrients that keep them alive. And the easiest way to deliver those nutrients is through what you drink. Let me share a story with you. Carol, a retired teacher in her 70s, loved to spend her mornings reading novels on her porch in Florida. But one day she realized the words on the page were not as crisp as before. Her doctor diagnosed her with early cataracts. Carol was devastated. She thought she might have to give up her books forever. But instead of giving in, she began drinking certain natural beverages every single day. She replaced sodas with carrot juice, switched her morning coffee to green tea, and in the evenings, she treated herself to hibiscus tea. Months later, during a follow-up, her doctor was surprised. The cataracts had not worsened, and her eyes looked healthier than expected. Carol smiled and said, "My drinks became my medicine. Now let us explore these drinks one by one with the science, the stories, and the love your eyes deserve." The first drink is fresh carrot juice. You have probably heard since childhood that carrots are good for your eyes, but I want you to understand why. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. Without vitamin A, the retina struggles to capture light and your night vision fades. Cataracts form faster in vitamin A deficiency, and glaucoma damage accelerates. Drinking a glass of carrot juice daily feeds your eyes a shield against oxidative stress. Seniors who switch from sugary sodas to carrot juice often notice their eyes feel less dry and their night driving becomes less stressful. A man named Harold once told me, after 2 months of carrot juice, I could see the stars more clearly again. The second drink is green tea. I am not talking about bottled sweetened tea that sits on a shelf for months. I mean freshly brewed green tea leaves steeped in hot water. Green tea is one of the richest sources of catechins antioxidants, so powerful that they travel into your eye tissue and neutralize free radicals. In fact, a study from the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed that these antioxidants remain in the eyes for almost a full day after drinking. Just imagine, 1 cup can give your eyes 20 hours of protection. Seniors who sip green tea daily often report fewer headaches from eye strain and less pressure buildup, which is crucial for anyone worried about glaucoma. The third drink is blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are sometimes called vision berries because of their anthocyanins, pigments that strengthen the small blood vessels in your eyes. Good circulation means oxygen and nutrients can reach your lens and your optic nerve. Blend blueberries with yogurt or almond milk, and you have a creamy drink that tastes like dessert but works like medicine. Robert, a 69-year-old retired mechanic, shared with me that after adding blueberry smoothies to his weekly routine, the glare from headlights at night did not blind him anymore. He said, "My eyes feel younger." The fourth drink is aloe vera juice. Many people know aloe vera as the gel for burns. But few realize its juice is filled with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that fight free radicals in the eye. Studies have linked aloe to reduced oxidative stress, which slows cataract development. It also soothes inflammation that can worsen glaucoma. In some cultures, aloe drinks are passed down as family remedies for eye comfort. Seniors who try aloe juice often say their eyes feel less irritated and more refreshed. The fifth drink is bilberry tea. During World War II, British pilots ate bilberry jam before night missions, claiming it sharpened their vision. Bilberries contain unique flavonoids that improve night vision and protect against cataracts. Today, seniors can enjoy bilberry tea as a calming evening ritual that strengthens the eyes. A woman named Edith told me, "Drinking bilberry tea before bed not only relaxes me, it feels like I'm sending love straight to my eyes." The sixth drink is spinach and kale juice. Now I know, this may not sound as delicious as a blueberry smoothie, but let me explain. These leafy greens are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that settle in your macula, the center of vision. They act like natural sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light. Studies show they reduce the risk of cataracts and slow macular degeneration. A senior couple I know split a glass of spinach and kale juice every morning. They call it their eye insurance policy. The seventh drink is hibiscus tea. This ruby red tea is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that lower blood pressure and improve circulation. For seniors with glaucoma, where eye pressure is a dangerous risk, hibiscus tea can be a gentle ally. Research shows hibiscus tea reduces systemic blood pressure, helping protect delicate eye blood vessels. Plus, its tart and tangy flavor makes it enjoyable, hot or cold. And now we reach the eighth drink, the one I promised to save for last. It is the simplest, but do not underestimate its power. It is lemon water. Yes, plain water infused with lemon slices. Most seniors do not drink enough water, and dehydration dries the eyes, stresses the lens, and speeds up cataract formation. Adding lemon not only refreshes the flavor, but also delivers vitamin C, a powerful protector of connective tissues and eye health. Seniors who commit to lemon water daily often report less eye fatigue, sharper focus, and fewer feelings of dryness. So let us pause and reflect. Which of these drinks calls to you the most? Imagine beginning your morning with carrot juice or green tea, blending a blueberry smoothie in the afternoon, sipping hibiscus tea in the evening, and keeping lemon water by your side all day. This is not a complicated diet. This is a way of life, a way to protect your most precious gift, your eyesight. Now I know some of you may wonder, will these drinks cure cataracts or glaucoma overnight? No, my friends. There is no magic overnight cure, but these drinks can slow the damage, stop progression, and in some cases, restore comfort and clarity. They give your eyes the fuel they desperately need. When combined with healthy habits like wearing sunglasses, eating balanced meals, and keeping blood sugar steady, these drinks become powerful allies. Let me close with the story of Henry, a 72-year-old man told by his doctor that cataract surgery was unavoidable. Henry was not ready to surrender. He began drinking spinach juice, green tea, and blueberry smoothies faithfully. A year later, his doctor looked into his eyes and said, "Your cataracts have not worsened as I expected." Henry smiled and replied, "That is because I decided to feed my eyes, not just my hunger." My dear friends, your eyesight is precious. Do not wait until cataracts blur your world or glaucoma steals your vision silently. Begin today with one drink, then add another. Each sip is a step toward clarity. Each glass is an act of love for your future. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 8 drinks are you most excited to try? Have you already been drinking one of them? Do you have your own story of how a natural drink helped your eyes? Share it in the comments below, because your story could inspire someone else who is struggling with vision loss. If you found this message helpful, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel so we can continue to share natural health secrets together. Every senior deserves to see the world in its full brightness, full color, and full joy. Because life is too beautiful to be seen through a fog.